Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie, and if you are new here, please go ahead and press that red subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to press the bell icon right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is at Cassie Mendonca. So in today's video, I will be showing you my 2021 planner that I got from, that I bought for myself from Space and Beauty website. So you can definitely go ahead and check their Instagram. I will try and make sure to leave it somewhere right on the screen right here. And before I get into it, I would like to go ahead and show you some of my previous planners from the last 3 years. So this is the 2017 planner, and this is a DIY planner. This is something that I made, I DIY'd. I used this thing from an old diary, and then I had a cardboard, so I went ahead and I used some chart paper, and this sticker that you see, please don't mind, it's all messed up. So here I have the 2017 planner, and I had actually DIY'd. I made this board, I'm not sure what do you call this, but I made this flip board where you can see all of my sticky notes right here. And then I have this quote: life isn't about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. And this is how I made my 2017 planner. I made a monthly tab for every month. This is Jan, and then the month starts. So this is the random thing that I made. This one is a 2018 planner. It's a normal spiral notebook, which I used it as my planner, and as you can see, I have added all of these cute stickers right here. And if you see, this is actually a sticker paper on which I printed out this quote or this image from Pinterest. This is my 2019 planner. This I got from Feli's Land. I'm sure you all know Larissa Disa, and that is her planner. So I went ahead and got myself this 2019 planner, and I had made myself this vision board because this was always on my priority list. I love decorating my planner. I'm not definitely good at drawing, but I love stickers personally. So this was my 2019 planner that I got, and I thought I would start my YouTube channel in 2019, which I wanted to start from 2017, but I never ended up doing. And when I wanted to do, when I was ready to start my YouTube channel, things happened. I know we cannot definitely predict what we have in the future, but I still have that hope that tomorrow is going to be a better day, and therefore I went ahead and got myself a 2021 planner, which is from Space and Beauty. You can definitely check them on Instagram. I have watched multiple videos before making my decision and buying this particular planner. So this is how it came in. This is the box in which the planner arrived, and the inside looks something like this. So this is what the planner came in. This is the box. It's a very sturdy box, and I'm not definitely throwing it away. So this is how the planner comes in. It has this beautiful foil, gold foil detailing on the cover of it, which is what I really like. I love anything gold on a certain thing. So that is the reason why I went ahead and I got this. So this is the 2021 planner. And before I go ahead and show you how the planner actually looks from inside, from within, I really want to show you things that I got from the Space and Beauty along with the planner. This is a sticker book that I got, and I personally love stickers. So I think this is such a beautiful sticker book that you get. There are multiple stickers in here. You can definitely see it right here. And then you get these things right here. You have this no postcard. Yeah, it's a postcard. You mean a latte to me. Then you get these 2 bookmarks. These are some Ikigai sheets that I got. It's a Japanese concept. A reason for being. And then I even got this pop socket that you see. It's this beautiful pink leopard print pop socket. Yeah, so that is all I have in this box. And now we'll move on with the actual planner. This is how the planner looks like, and I really love the blushed pink tone that this cover has, and this fab here belongs to whoever it belongs to, so definitely it belongs to me, so there would be my name. Then you have a little note from the Space and Beauty, your personal information right here. Then you have this calendar, 2021-2022 calendar, and then here you get the birthday months. I mean, you can definitely go ahead and jot down your friends or your family members' birthdays in this, so that you can remember the different goals to be achieved in a year. So here you have family and friends, personal development, finances, health, fitness, whatever your goal is, you can definitely write it down. And then you can rate yourself according to what you think you have achieved. So this is a dream board. I mean, it's like a vision board. And then here you have your Bookstagram, wherein you can go ahead and jot down all of the books that you have to read for a year. And this is something that I really like. I mean, having a routine for your morning and evening skincare or anything in general is so important. But they only have this one page dedicated to the routine thing. I wish they could have it for every month. But then I'll have to go ahead and see how I could use it. You can definitely go ahead and create a mood board of things that you would do to make your space cozy. And then the next thing that you see right here is a mental health section, which is so important. Then here you have a wall of movies, wherein you can go ahead and write down the movies that you have to watch or you have watched. Here you can definitely go ahead and write the Netflix shows or movies you really want to watch. I mean, you are looking forward to watch, so, and rate them accordingly. And this is something which is really helpful. This is something that you can use if you are traveling out in 2021, because at times we forget certain things, so it's better you write it down and then you have an idea of what you have to pack in the bag. Here you have your bucket list, I mean places to visit, things to do. Here we have down the memory lane, so you can go ahead and put some stickers or pictures that you have taken in 2021. And this is really helpful if you are starting and building up your social media thing. If you are someone who have subscribed to certain things like Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar, or any apps that you use on a regular basis, I think having something like this can be really useful, because you then know when did you pay for the subscription and when the day is gonna end. I mean, when the end date is, whether it's monthly, quarterly, half yearly, annually, you have an idea of when the subscription will start and end. And from here begins the monthly planner, and for every month there is a quote which I really love. This is the monthly spread, and for every month you get things like your to-do list, events, affirmations, totally random ideas. Then you have your goal grid right here. So what do you want to become in the month of January, or what do you want to create in the month of January? And then you have your habit tracker right here for the month of Jan, habits to kill, habits to grow for the month of Jan, and then my consistency. At the end of the month, you can definitely come back and you can rate yourself according to the consistency. And this is so helpful. You get this period tracker right here for every single month. Here is the weekly spread. Here is the review of the whole entire month. And at the end of this, you also get this grocery, shopping list that you can make for yourself, things that you want to buy for the month of Jan. So you can definitely go ahead and jot it down right here. And also you get this expense tracker for every single month, which is really helpful. Then you get a fitness tracker right here, things you like to do, if it's cycling or jogging or working out it's up to you. And then here you get a meal planner, so you can definitely go ahead and plan your meals. Here are my obsessions. So for example, if you are obsessed with something in the month of Jan, whether for example if there is a certain thing that you loved eating in the month of Jan, you can definitely write it in the eating section. And this is how the back cover of the planner looks like. If you want to go ahead and buy for yourself, you can definitely check them on Instagram, and also they have a website called spaceandbeauty.com, so definitely go ahead and check it out. This bundle, this planner costed me for something around 1700, I guess. Hold on, let me check. This planner costed me for around 1762. So that is all I have for you in today's video, and I hope you liked watching this video. And if you did like it, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to take care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you. Bye.